the heartbeat of Bethany, Ontario.
Welcome to the Bethany Classic Car Show and Shine. The 32nd annual Bethany Classic Car Show and Shine happened on Sunday, May 21st, 2023. There was an impressive collection of classic cars and trucks on this beautiful, sunny day. Thank you to the Bethany Athletic Society for hosting this great event at the Bethany Park. When it's time to switch gears and make a move, come and check out our spectacular country estate 1-acre building lots in the rolling hills of Bethany, Ontario.